Hi, this is Beth Kendall with Beth's Bountiful Bone Broth. Today I'm going to share with you how to make delicious bone broth. I'm going to talk to you about why you should drink bone broth and also who should drink bone broth and how often to drink bone broth. Does that sound good? I'm going to make it super easy so it's not as intimidating, because if it's less intimidating, maybe more people will drink it and gain the health benefits from it, which would be great. So let's get started. So let's talk about how to make bone broth. So what I have is here a marrow bone and a turkey back, and I've got chicken feet. What you want to do is have whatever bones you're using, you can use any of these, you want to roast them first because it's going to make for a richer broth. So first you could either use an Instapot, this is an 8-quart, or you can use a stovetop stock pot, which is 10-quart. You can use one of my Beth's Bountiful Bone Broth spice kits, which has got dehydrated veggies and spices in it. And that's going to go in the pot, either the Instapot or the stock pot. See, this is what it looks like. They're all very beautiful vegetables: carrots, onions, celery, garlic, mushrooms. So this goes in, and then also 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and water. You fill it up, cook it in the Instapot for 7 hours for beef, 6 hours for chicken, and the stock pot would be 24 hours on the stovetop. Make sure that you keep an eye on it and add water to it, because it will start evaporating a little bit of the water. Then you just strain it when it's done and bottle it up and put it in your fridge. What's interesting is that the price is going to be a lot cheaper than what you would buy if you go to the store and buy pre-made bone broth. This is going to run you about $3 to $4 a quart, which is 32 ounces. If you go to the grocery store and buy bone broth, it's going to run you anywhere from $9 to $15 for 24 ounces. So not only are you going to have delicious bone broth all the time, but you're not going to spend anywhere near what you would at the grocery store for bone broth. So number 2, let's talk about why you want to drink bone broth. So there's 3 types of people that benefit from it. Healthy people, people that have autoimmune, cancer, leaky gut, irritable bowel, and also people who want anti-aging, because there's a boatload of minerals and amino acids, glucosamine, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin, lots of really neat amino acids and minerals that you would not get from anywhere else other than a bone. So this is going to leach into the water, which is why you're cooking it for so long. So you're going to get all that bioavailable minerals in your body. So it's going to give you more energy. It's going to help digestive issues. It's going to improve your immune system. It's going to make your hair, your skin, and your nails look amazing. So it basically applies to just anyone who wants to feel better and is either compromised or is healthy. And lastly, how much do you drink? It kind of depends on where you're at. If you've got a compromised immune system, you want to drink it daily, and you want to drink about 10 to 12 ounces a day. If you're generally healthy and you're looking to drink bone broth for anti-aging or to stay on top of your health, anywhere from 6 to 8 ounces a day is fine. But here's the key, guys. It's got to be consistent. You have to do this every day to see any benefit. So what's nice about this is so affordable that by making it yourself, you can really gain the health benefits of bone broth, which is why this video is being made. So I want to thank you so much. If you have any questions, reach out to me at bethsbountifulbonebroth.com, or go on our website and you can find my spice kit at, again, www.bethsbountifulbonebroth.com. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all a very healthy, happy, and safe holiday season. Thank you.